to Sri's sister channel. This is Sri and I am going to speed solve the Pandora cube. Okay, so let me just mix it up and let's speed solve it together. So if you don't know how to solve the Pandora cube but you have one, that means you just learn the 3 by 3 and you have learned the 3 by 3, then you can just solve it like a 3 by 3. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will inspect. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's pokey. Okay. I'm going to do F12. I'm in F12. So now I finished F12. Now I'm going to do OLL. And finally PLL. Finally I'm finished. That was quite fast, yes. But it was very uncomfortable for me in the Pandora cube. That's the challenge, because a recommendation for the Pandora cube is the Pandora cube looks like a cube. If it had a 3 by 3 and the cube functionality, it would be as complicated as very much complicated. It might be a 3 by 3 and cube mixed together. Because you see the outer parts are just like a cube. Can you see the difference? You can see the outer parts. When you cancel these edges, you can see it's like a cube. So if it had this cube functionality, it could have been better. Yes, not better, but it could have more challenging. Yeah, this is itself better. It could have had these two functionalities in one cube. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like this solve.